Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am the most excited I think I've ever been about a video because I finally have a makeup subscription. So I've never had any sort of like monthly renewal for anything where I receive makeup, and I bought a lot of makeup, so it only seemed right that I try out something. So I kept getting these ads for BoxyCharm, and lo and behold, the November box looked like it was gonna be super great. So I signed up. I just got my box yesterday, and I'm gonna do an unboxing today because I'm super excited. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then continue watching. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's my box, you guys. I'm super excited to start these trials for these makeup products. I paid $27, I think, with the tax and all that for my box, and I mean, just the first product listed on here is more than what I paid for the box. So I already feel like my money is paid back. Okay, all right, you guys, so that's my video. I will maybe do a tutorial including all these products, and just stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.